Hey girlies, today I'll be talking on hygiene. There's clean and then there's clean. I've spent months digging into what really works, and today I'll be sharing my ultimate head-to-toe hygiene checklist. So many of us focus on the hair but forget the scalp, which is wild, because a healthy scalp helps hair grow better, smell fresher, prevents flakes, and lessen irritation. Use a sulfate-free shampoo based on your hair type. For oily scalps, 2 to 3 times a week. Drier scalps, once a week, might do. Wash your scalp properly, not just the hair shaft. Use your fingertips or a silicone scalp brush to massage gently. It boosts circulation and helps products penetrate better. You can dry shampoo in between washes, but don't overdo it. Build-up is not cute. Once a week, gently exfoliate your scalp to dissolve dead skin and build-up. You can DIY with brown sugar and olive oil. Avoid super hot water on your hair because it strips natural oils, dries out your scalp and fades colour faster. Also use silk pillowcases and switch them weekly to reduce friction, breakage and keep your hair smoother. Wash your face morning and night, even if you're exhausted. Sleeping in makeup clogs pores, increases breakouts, and literally accelerates skin aging. Use a chemical exfoliant 1 to 2 times a week. Avoid harsh scrubs, especially if you have darker skin, because physical scrubs can trigger hyperpigmentation. Also make sure to change your face towels every 2 to 3 days, because bacteria loves damp fabric. You can add a drop of tea tree oil into your cleanser to help acne. Use SPF every single day, even if it's cloudy or you're indoors. You can also try ice rolling or using a cold spoon from the freezer. It depuffs and helps circulation. You can use a clean toothbrush or your finger to scrub your lips once a week with a brown sugar and honey paste. Then apply balm like lanolin or petroleum jelly. For your brows, trim instead of plucking. Clean your outer ears with damp washcloth and avoid pushing cotton swabs into your ear canal, cause that pushes wax deeper. Clean your piercings with saline spray or gentle antiseptic, cause dirty jewelry, can cause infection, disinfect your earrings or replace them occasionally, cause sweat and oils, can oxidize metals, and also switch to hypoallergenic earrings if you get itchy lobes. Brush twice daily for at least 2 minutes. You could use an electric toothbrush and also floss daily. It prevents bad breath and gum disease. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months or after illness, and use a tongue scraper, cause up to 80% of bad breath comes from tongue bacteria. Stay hydrated, because if your mouth is dry, it would smell, and rinse off after acidic drinks like coffee, tea or wine to prevent staining. Drink water with lemon, but rinse after because acids weaken the enamel. You could also take gums and sweets with xylitol to freshen your breath. Body acne is normal, especially on the chest and back. Sweat, tight clothes and hair products dripping down can all contribute, so occasionally use clay mask on back if you're prone to breakouts. Spray witch hazel on chest and back after sweaty workouts to soothe your skin, and also use a salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide body wash 1 to 2 times a week. These areas need extra care because sweat glands love them, so exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week with a mild scrub or chemical exfoliant to prevent ingrown hairs and dark spots. Shave, sugar, wax, or go natural, but keep clean and make sure to pat dry after showering, especially under breasts, to prevent moisture rash. Switch to an aluminum-free deodorant if you want a gentler option, but know you may go through a detox phase, and also carry mini wipes or deodorant in your bag for touch-ups. You can also apply cornstarch baby powder to help with sweat and chafing, or dab apple cider vinegar under arms to neutralize body odor. The hands age fast and nails say a lot, so wash and rub hand cream and sunscreen to avoid cracks. You could also coat your nails with cuticle oil, hand cream and cotton gloves for baby soft hands by morning. Trim your nails every 1 to 2 weeks, clean under them, get them filed, and always use a base and top coat to protect nails and make the polish last longer. Your vagina is self-cleaning, so you only need to wash the vulva with warm water or a mild pH-balanced unscented soap, and also never douche, because it ruins the natural flora. You can take probiotic supplements to balance the flora. Change your pads, tampons every 3 to 4 hours. Wear cotton underwear and replace them every 6 to 12 months. Dry brush before shower to boost circulation. Use an African sponge, loofah or silicone scrubber to bath, then use a scrub like brown sugar and coconut oil or chemical exfoliant 1 to 2 times a week. Moisturize daily, especially after shower when your skin is damp. You could also add liquid highlighter to your lotion for extra glow and use urea cream for rough elbows and knees. Wash your feet daily, especially between toes. You could also scrub it with a pumice stone or foot scrub 1 to 2 times a week and do a DIY foot soak with warm water, Epsom salt and peppermint oil. Keep your feet moisturized and wear cotton socks overnight for baby soft heels. You could add diluted tea tree oil to your moisturizer or foot soak if you have fungus-prone nails. And also trim your nails straight across to prevent ingrowns. Disinfect the nail tools after use, and sometimes let your nails breathe between polish to avoid yellowing. Layer your scents. It could be scented or unscented. First shower with a body wash, then apply deodorant or antiperspirant. Rub on body lotion, butter or oil, then spray perfume on pulse points like the wrists, neck, behind ears, back of knees, inner elbows and belly button. If you cover your hair, spray your scarf lightly. Wash your makeup brushes every 1 to 2 weeks. Change your towels, pillowcases and bonnets every 3 to 4 days, and your bed sheets 3 to 4 times a month. Keep a mini wipe or atomizer in your bag for midday touch-ups. Clean your phone often, rotate your shoes and sun it once in a while. Drink at least 2 liters of water a day. You could also drink chlorophyll water or peppermint tea for internal freshness. So, nobody smells like a cupcake or roses 24/7, and that's okay. I hope you found new tips today, and if you liked this video, like, share, subscribe and comment your favorite hygiene hack.